लिए था, अब हम फिर जमीन पे आ जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं। हाँ जी सर।
जी, मैं पूछ रही थी आपसे कि ये रिवर्स एजिंग और ये बहुत ब्यूटीफुल जो आप लग रहे हैं, मैं नहीं पूछूंगी आपसे कि आपका फॉर्मूला क्या है और आप क्या खा रहे हैं और क्या पी रहे हैं, but anything that you want to tell people, because we're really falling in love with you like again and again and again. What do you want to say?
Firstly, that Benjamin Button thing reminded me of the fact that we actually had a broken button just before we walked on stage, so we got a bit late because of that. Good afternoon, everybody. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for being here. It's amazing to have all of you here. Good afternoon. We are very excited. अंदर से हम सब बहुत stressed हैं, ऊपर से हम बहुत खूबसूरत लग रहे हैं. What to do? This is who we are. No, but thank you for all the compliments, and I would give most of the credit to Anaita, who's sitting right here, who has styled me and made me change my pants 5 minutes before we were moving out, saying, "You're looking too hero today, Shahid. Just look like the character Kunzi." So this is Kunzi, which she has created and written by Love Ranjan and visualized by Homi Arajania. So मैं जो भी लग रहा हूँ, it's because of these people. इसमें मेरा कोई contribution नहीं है.
What a nice humble boy. So sweet.
And what about this chocolate boy face of yours?
वो तुझे देख के आ जाता है automatically.
Ali के लिए तो बस एक ही सवाल आता है. Ali, when you got this role, first question to you was, what song came to your mind? Was it Ya Ali, Madat Ali, or what was it? What was the first reaction? Cocktail 2 coming to you and...
None of these songs, because Homi के दिमाग में सिर्फ अंग्रेजी गाने चलते हैं.
Yeah.
So ये इनमें से कोई नहीं था.
Yeah.
But I was obviously very, very excited.
Yeah.
Firstly, I think even Cocktail, the first one, was way ahead of its time in the way the characters spoke and, you know, the visuals and all of that. It still looks fresh.
Yeah.
And when I heard the story of Cocktail 2, I just found it so different and so relevant and so fun, and all these 3 characters were so well written and well, you know, they had their own graph, and they were just fresh, and I think I was missing a film like this, you know.
Yeah.
I think I've seen so much of like intensity and action and all of that I wanted to see a fresh, you know, a fresh young film with like just messy characters like we all.
The character, the portrayal, the liberation. But I love it. I love it.
मैं बोलने वाला था इसके लिए थोड़ा मास ऑडियंस के लिए सबटाइटल्स डाल दीजिएगा प्लीज.
रश्मिका,
हिंदी में सवाल पूछो. हमें हिंदी में बात करने की फीलिंग आ रही है.
Let's not go there right now.
हिंदी में बात करेंगे आज. हिंदी में
हम रश्मिका से हिंदी में बात करेंगे. रश्मिका,
परफेक्ट टाइमिंग.
पर
I love
रश्मिका,
it. नहीं चाहिए ही नहीं.
मुझे नहीं लगता आपकी हिंदी इतनी बुरी जितना आपको लगता है. आई थिंक आपकी हिंदी बहुत ही माशाल्लाह है.
Thank you.
माशाल्लाह वैसे हिंदी नहीं है,
हमने
उर्दू है.
कुछ ही दिन पहले गाना एक शूट किया और लिरिक्स आए हमारे पास लिटरली ऐसे. ये व्हाट वर यू ईटिंग? दाल एंड व्हाट वाज दैट? राजमा, दाल, रोटी एंड समथिंग यू वर ईटिंग. ऐसे खाते खाते इसने 2 मिनट में ऐसे देखा एंड वी वर शूटिंग इन 48 फ्रेम्स व्हिच मींस दैट आपको डबल स्पीड पे गाना पड़ता है. और इसने जाके शॉट दिया और इसने सब परफेक्टली किया. तो आई डोंट बिलीव यू एट ऑल एनी मोर रश्मिका. मुझे लगता है तेरी सच्चाई ये है कि तू कूर्ग में पैदा होने के 13-14 साल बाद गई थी. तू है दिल्ली की लड़की, तुझे पूरी अच्छी हिंदी आती है.
इनफैक्ट मुझे तो लगता है
सब आता है. कितना फास्ट सीख
इसको
लिया
बाय हार्ट है.
इसको पूरा गाना बाय हार्ट है यार.
पर वो वाला गाना सबको बाय हार्ट है. हाँ.
वो वाला गाना, वो वाला गाना.
जिन गानों की ये तीनों बात कर रहे हैं, सबसे पहले तो ये भी बता दें, रश्मिका को देख के ऐसा भी लगता है कि रामायण वाली हिंदी बोलती होंगी, वो वार्तालाप करती होंगी. बट वी विल गेट टू दैट लेटर. We'll get to it, but one day at a time.
तू क्रॉस मार्केटिंग करने आई है?
नहीं.
पकड़ लिया तुझे.
What?
हाँ?
मैंने सोचा भी नहीं. ये शायद कपूर ही है ऐसे. Please don't put words in my. Please शब्द मेरे मुंह में मत डालिए आप, क्योंकि हम केवल हिंदी में बात करने वाले हैं. That sounds wrong, but moving on. यहाँ पे हम 2 बहुत ही स्पेसिफिक ब्यूटीफुल गानों के लिए आए हैं गाइज. एक तो ऐसा गाना है जो जीवन भर से ऐसा लगता है हमारे साथ में रहा है. Since 2012 it has been an anthem for your road trips, for your farewells, for your friendship. मतलब it's an amazing song. And I'm glad you guys are coming back with it. It's called Bandhu 2.0. क्या हम उस गाने को जरा सुन सकते हैं और उससे पहले थोड़ी आवाज कर सकते हैं यार, तालियों के साथ. जैसे शाहिद कहेंगे इस मोमेंट्स में तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट होनी चाहिए बंधु 2.0 के लिए. गड़गड़ाहट, थंडरस्टॉर्म. Rashmika, you know it already.
I think I think घंटियां बजनी चाहिए यहाँ पर.
घंटियां? आली बात कर रही है, कृति बात कर रही है. गाइस, बंधु 2.0 अब चलने वाले. जरा आप एक साइड पे आ जाएं, यहाँ बैठ
Yeah,
जाएं.
please, ladies. The chairs that
वो
have
जो
been
chairs
moved to the
हटा दी
side.
गई हैं वहाँ हम बैठ सकते हैं.
आप चेयर्स नहीं कह सकते, शायद कुर्सियां कहनी पड़ेंगी आपको.
कुर्सी
जी.
जिस पे हम अपने इसको बिठाने वाले हैं.
I know that Shahid, Rashmika and Kriti have been really working hard to promote every song. Genuinely, they didn't have to work so hard because the songs are fantastic on their own. But because all of us are here at the quorum, sorry to say, but sorry, हम तो देख के रहेंगे इन तीनों को साथ में नाचते हुए. क्या हम तालियां बजा सकते हैं प्लीज? और so sweet. Kriti is like, चल हट.
I have to give you one more very
Yeah.
interesting trivia.
Yeah.
तो जब हम लोग ये romantic shots कर रहे थे ना, round trolley, so it was improvisation. So Kriti gave like a banging shot, okay? She like killed it with the chemistry and all. Yeah? Then Rashmika came and now after one take, she stop 1 second. So am I supposed to look at him like a friend because this is a friendly song? I said, चल भाई बहन ही बन जाते हैं. So it was very cute. It was very cute actually. And as you can see, she killed it
So
after
did
that.
you finally look at him like
But-
a friend,
yeah.
like a brother, like a lover? What?
On
I
19th
saw him
June.
like Kunzi.
On 19th June. No, but actually, that is everybody's memory of this song. You know, I think everybody remembers this song with their friends, having fun, having a blast, and I think that's the vibe of Cocktail. So we just had to do it because we wanted to just have fun and do it, you know.
And at the end of it, we really had a blast. So yeah.
Yeah, we really did. And we shot it day before yesterday, guys. So it was quite
Actually, we wrapped up
interesting.
yesterday.
Yeah,
Because
we
we
wrapped
went
up
out
yesterday.
till early morning. Yeah.
And managed to come here and managed to do this song and DJ वाले बाबू को 4 गाली देके but and still managed to do a fabulous job. Guys, it's Bandhu 3.123. Oh. Just my little, but it is Bandhu 2.0. It's out on YouTube. The song will be seen again in the film as well. And I actually, Shahid's already answered this question, but I'll still ask. When you watched this song as a viewer in 2012, what was your first feeling? Kriti, this one's for you as well. What was your first feeling? And now to perform on it, what were the feels?
Actually, I had forgotten the film because like it's so long back, but I recently saw it on YouTube.
Yeah.
And not just the song, but I just feel like this was such a refreshing, fresh, happy movie.
Yeah.
But it was not like a stupidly happy movie. It was well made, intelligent. The characters had depth, even though that they were entertaining. And I feel that even when I see it today, it feels like such a fresh experience. And the song was no different. You know, it was a song that just made you feel happy. And those are my memories with it. You know, it was just that.
Yeah.
Just happy times.
Yeah. Absolutely correct answer. 10 on 10. Shahid didn't know I was actually giving him marks also. Kriti ji, bataiye, what were your feelings when you watched it?